Welcome, fellow travelers, to the enchanting city of Vienna. Today, we embark on an extraordinary journey to explore the top 5 captivating places that make Vienna a truly remarkable destination. From its rich history to its vibrant culture, Vienna is a treasure trove of wonders waiting to be discovered. So, let's dive into the heart of Austria and begin our adventure. 1. Schönbrunn Palace. Our first destination takes us to the magnificent Schönbrunn Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and the former summer residence of the Habsburg dynasty. Step into the opulent world of royalty as you explore its grand rooms, stroll through the breathtaking gardens, and immerse yourself in the stories of emperors and empresses who once graced these halls. 2. St. Stephen's Cathedral. Our next stop is the iconic St. Stephen's Cathedral, the heart of Vienna's historic center. Marvel at the Gothic architecture, climb the tower for panoramic views of the city, and delve into the history and legends that surround this magnificent place of worship. 3. Belvedere Palace. Our journey continues to the splendid Belvedere Palace, a masterpiece of Baroque architecture. Explore the opulent halls, admire the world-renowned art collection, and wander through the meticulously landscaped gardens. The palace offers a glimpse into Vienna's artistic heritage and an opportunity to appreciate the works of renowned artists such as Gustav Klimt. 4. Naschmarkt. No visit to Vienna is complete without a trip to the vibrant Naschmarkt. Immerse yourself in the bustling atmosphere, indulge in delicious culinary delights, and explore the colorful stands offering fresh produce, spices, and international delicacies. Naschmarkt is a feast for the senses and a true reflection of Vienna's diverse culinary heritage. 5. Vienna State Opera. Our final destination takes us to the world-renowned Vienna State Opera, a true jewel of the city's cultural scene. Experience the magic of opera and ballet as you step inside this architectural marvel. From the stunning performances to the lavish interiors, the Vienna State Opera offers an unforgettable cultural experience. And there you have it, fellow adventurers. Our journey through Vienna's top 5 captivating places has come to an end. From the imperial splendor of Schönbrunn Palace to the cultural gems of St. Stephen's Cathedral, Belvedere Palace, Naschmarkt, and the Vienna State Opera, this city offers a wealth of experiences for every traveler. So, pack your bags, explore Vienna's timeless charms, and create unforgettable memories. Until next time, happy travels!